I'm Amy, I'm living in Chrysalis, and once again, I'm going to turn into a Muppet. Let's get to it. Welcome back to my channel. If I seem a little rushed today, it's because I've got to go to work in 15 minutes, but I really wanted to bang this out. So, today I am doing the Geeks and Beauties Muppet Challenge, where you choose between two Muppet options. This time I had the choice between Sam the Eagle or Big Bird. But Sam the Eagle the colors are too close to the colors I just did in my Pokemon challenge, so I decided to go with Big Bird. At first I thought, well, okay, it's just going to be yellow and white, and that's going to be just kind of boring. But when I took a closer look, there's a little bit more I can do with this. So if you like what you're seeing, or you just want to hate watch, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Let's get into the look. Go into my Revolution Marvelous Mattes and go in with white, especially here in the center. I'm not putting the white there because I don't want to set my primer. There we go. Nice bit of white. But for the yellow, I don't really like the yellow in this for Big Bird. So I'm going to go into my Rimmel Magnifies Thunderstorm Edition. And go into that yellow. I think it kind of makes videos a little filming a little faster when shades don't have names. Okay, here we go. And a little on the inside here. Hopefully this won't look too funny, but that's okay. Just a little fun. Just a little fun. I mean, after all, I'm just working with kids, so I do something a little goofy. Well, that's okay. They'll have comments. They always do. I'm sure if it looks stupid, they'll roast me long before you guys can ever get to it. Oh, dang it. I got to smudge something darker there. That's not fun. Concealer? Concealer. Let's fix that. Okay. Oh, good. Get a little extra base there. The one thing that's kind of annoying about these pans and the magnifies is they're quite narrow. I mean, my brush fits into them, but if I even slightly miss the mark, then I can get a different color. Okay. Alright, so that's where I'm at so far. My Marvelous Mattes, I'm going to take this pink to look like Big Bird's eyelid. See there? And I'm going to kind of just feather it into the white and the yellow. Boy, I'm really hoarse this morning. I took my son and two of his friends out to the lake last night after work to go kayaking. So of course I'm having to call across the water to these kids on occasion. So that's probably why I'm a little hoarse. But they're good kids. It was fun. Okay. Now, because I'm thinking that Big Bird's pink is a little more mauve, so I'm going to go into this sort of light mauve shade and just go over the pink. Just to settle it a bit, I think. So remember, Big Bird was designed in the 70s, or was it the late 60s? So the color palettes in fashion back then weren't as bright as they are today. Okay. Yeah, I think that's closer to it. Next I'm going to go into this blue, and that is going to be my closer eyelid color. I'm not going to do a halo eye with it this time necessarily. I'm just going to go in and do the actual lid. Because, of course, Big Bird has that kind of blue line. Alright. This looks a little lighter than Big Bird's. What can I do to fix that? I'm going to throw my brush around. I'm going to go into this darker blue here. I guess I'll use my smudging brush because the other one's on the floor and I got a boogie. Okay, let's try not to put my eye out while I'm at it. Oh, I got a little gap there, don't I? Go back in with, I'll just hit that with a pink real quick so I don't have that weird gap there. Okay. All right, now just for a little bit of fun, I'm going back into magnifies. There's this kind of very pale gold shade. It's quite pretty. I can't stop myself. I'm going for the gold. No, I'm not doing the halo eye, and I'm not doing the arch. I'll just do there. I'll be right back. I'm going to go do the things. Okay, here's the final look. So what do you think? Did I properly pay tribute to the great Big Bird? Please let me know down in the comments. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. I gotta go to work now. Bye.